How to unlink email from Epic Games account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I'll show you how you can unlink your email address from your Epic Games account. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you would like to unlink your email address from your Epic Games account, you just need to go ahead and then open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you can also do this process from your Windows or Mac and just go to epicgames.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link in the description box, so you can just go ahead and then check that out respectively. After you go to epicgames.com, you'll see this kind of interface. You have to wait until this button loads up from the top right inside and tap on the three line icon over here. Make sure to log into your Epic Games account and tap on your profile name, which is at the very bottom of the screen. And once you tap on it, here you'll find the account section, so just tap on the account button. As soon as you tap on the account button over here, you'll be able to see all of your account settings. And if you want to unlink your email address, you have to basically add a new email address. So currently an Outlook account is connected. If I want to remove it, just tap on the edit button and just enter the new email address that you would like to use. In this case, once you enter the new email address you want to use for your Epic Games account, just tap on the continue button. It will send a verification code to that specific email address. So now, first of all, you have to verify your old email address, which is of Outlook. So you have to go ahead and then simply log into your Outlook account over here, and after you log into your Outlook account, refresh it a couple of times until you see the new address over here. So just go ahead and refresh it until you see the verification code from Epic Games. And as you can see, I've received the code. I'll just go ahead and then copy the code. I'll come back and then I'll just go ahead and then simply paste the code as well. Once you enter the new verification code, you just need to tap on the continue button from the bottom, and after you verify your old email address, only then will you be able to actually remove it, and a new email address will also be sent to your updated email address over here. So you also might want to go ahead and then verify the new email address as well. And that's all it takes to unlink your email address from your Epic Games account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.